Let's go. Let's go. God damn it. Scared.
Do it again. That's great.
I was terrified. He's over there. He's in there. Anybody home?
That was weird.
Watch it be.
Hey, somebody might be sleeping in there.
Yeah, right. That must have been your foot. No.
Stop it. Something might come out at us.
It's sour. Go to the cellar.
Hey, you can't see me right now. I just fell.
Oh my god.
Amanda, stickers right here.
Go to the cellar.
Hey, stickers.
No, it's dry.
I told you, I've been in there already.
Hello? Hello? ¿Cómo estás?
Okay, that's good.
Don't communicate with them.
The cell door just broke.
Careful.
Okay. I'm getting stuck by a stick where I'm stopping.
Becky, where are we going?
Like, I'm grabbing on your shirt.
Oh, you pinched me.
What? I poked you?
Becky, shine a light on me. Hey.
Oh.
Back out. There's something out here. What is it? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay.
Where you going?
Found my tree. I'm trying to get light on me with a cell phone.
It's not working too well.
Yes, it is. Can I see myself? I'm all blue. Hey, come back, light. Ooh. Oh.
Becky, you know, you're walking with the light.
What is she doing?
I don't know. Climbing the tree.
It's really scary out here.
Not really.
Shut up. I'm trying to make it sound scary. I don't know what's out here. I don't know if there's any Mexicans or not.
There's definitely one.
No, there isn't.
Hide in the
Shut your
bushes.
freaking mouth.
I was going along with the thing.
Shut up.
Let's go find a buried treasure.
In the woods. Alright.
Let's say Denise
Hey, I can't see crap. It's really...
Peggy, shut up.
There are people...
I want to go now?
I'm walking before you now.